Hi, welcome to this short video where we're going to show you how to pin a note to the side of the menu for any user type. Now, pinning a note is really helpful if you have something that you want always to be on a user's menu. It might be something really simple like FAQs, who to get in touch with, could even be your terms and conditions. Some clients have even pinned links to the store. Whatever you want, you can pin to the side. All right, so let's start off by, we should already have a note created if this is something we want to do. To make a new note, go to Create or Upload, select the note item, give it a title, short description if you want, no need to put one if you don't want one. Then we're going to go into the content and get into the rich text editor where we can add in our headings, welcome, and we can add in anything we want. You can also use HTML snippets to embed videos from YouTube's. Again, really helpful if you want to do a walkthrough guide of your platform. I already have a note made that I want to use, so I'm just going to come out of the editor here. And what I can do is use the filters on my library, find the note that I want to use, just so I can double check everything's great and I'm happy with it. So I'm going to go down here. It's not one of these. It's this FAQs for Proctor exam. Before I'm going to pin it, I'm going to check everything is correct. So this is the one I want to pin. Got some videos on it there and some extra bit of information. I can also preview the note from here, and this is how it's going to look for my students. Great, so now that's done, I'm going to go into settings using this little gear icon here. And then I'm going to have a think about what user I want to pin it for. Do I want to pin it for the admins? Probably not, because they're not going to be sitting the exam in this case. Educators, those are your sort of managers / teacher user types. Again, they're not going to be the ones doing exams for me. So it's the student type that I want to. You see I've already got one pinned here, so I'm just going to delete that and show you how to do it again. So get rid of that. So this is what my students' page manager looks like. Whatever order it's in is how it will appear to the students. I've got the shop here that I've got enabled, I've got the study enabled, and I can just reorder these based on how I want. So I'm going to put exams a little bit higher, and I think that's fine for now. So let me go to add a note page. So it's this button here. I just need to find my note now. You can search for it by the ID, or it will come up if you type it in. So FAQs for a proctored exam, this is the one. I'm going to add that in now. Now by default, it'll just pick this little circle icon. Because these are FAQs, I'm going to find a little question mark to use. So I'm going to use this one. And do I want to change the label? Probably just want it to say FAQs. So I'm going to save that. Brilliant. So when students open the platform, they'll now see that FAQ on the side. If we just go to a student, I'm just going to refresh this. Go to FAQs and I can see it's there. And this is how the platform appears for a student. Really helpful just to have some more controls over the menu.